Have you ever ended your day with legs that feel heavy, tired, or swollen? For many people, this is a common issue, but it often signals something deeper than just fatigue. Swelling, stiffness, or weakness in the legs can be linked to poor circulation, inflammation, or even a lack of key nutrients. Fortunately, nature has given us powerful solutions in the form of food. Two nutrients in particular stand out when it comes to protecting your legs: collagen and potassium. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. It forms the structure of your joints, ligaments, and connective tissues. Without enough collagen, your knees may ache, your joints may crack, and you may feel weaker with each step. On the other hand, potassium is an electrolyte mineral that balances fluids, flushes out excess sodium, and prevents swelling. It also keeps muscles contracting properly, helping you avoid painful cramps and stiffness. When these two nutrients work together, your legs can become stronger, more flexible, and far less prone to swelling. The best part? You don't need expensive supplements. Everyday foods can provide exactly what your body needs. In this video, we'll cover 8 powerful foods that are rich in collagen or potassium or both. By adding them to your diet, you'll notice lighter legs, improved mobility, and greater strength. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share simple meal ideas to combine these foods for maximum benefit. So, let's dive in and explore the top collagen-boosting, potassium-rich foods that can transform the health of your legs. Food 1. Bone broth. Bone broth has been used for centuries as a healing food, and for good reason. Made by simmering bones, cartilage, and connective tissues for hours, bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen. When you drink bone broth, your body absorbs amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, all of which are essential for repairing and rebuilding collagen in your joints, tendons, and ligaments. This means your knees, ankles, and hips get stronger and more flexible over time. But bone broth does more than just provide collagen. It's also packed with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which strengthen bones and prevent fragility. When you add potassium-rich vegetables such as carrots, celery, or spinach during cooking, you supercharge the broth into a complete joint and leg healing tonic. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth daily can ease joint stiffness, reduce swelling, and speed up recovery after long walks, exercise, or even standing all day. Many athletes and older adults swear by bone broth as their go-to solution for reducing pain and regaining mobility. The gelatin in the broth also helps cushion your joints, acting like a lubricant that makes every step smoother. Unlike supplements that often target only one nutrient, bone broth delivers a natural blend of protein, minerals, and collagen in a highly absorbable form. It's affordable, comforting, and deeply nourishing. Whether you sip it as a hot drink, use it as a soup base, or add it to sauces, bone broth can become your secret weapon for maintaining strong, pain-free legs for years to come. Food 2. Salmon. Salmon is often praised as a superfood, and when it comes to leg health, it truly earns its title. First, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which your body needs to produce and maintain collagen. Collagen supports joint flexibility, strengthens connective tissues, and prevents stiffness. Without enough protein, your body struggles to rebuild worn-out cartilage, leaving your legs feeling weak and achy. But salmon goes beyond protein. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are natural anti-inflammatories. Chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons behind swelling, joint pain, and even leg fatigue. By eating salmon, you reduce inflammation at the root level, helping your legs feel lighter and more mobile. What makes salmon even more powerful is its potassium content. A 100-gram serving of salmon provides nearly 400 milligrams of potassium. This helps your body flush out excess sodium, which is a major cause of swelling and water retention in the legs. Potassium also prevents painful cramps by ensuring smooth muscle contractions. Together, the collagen-boosting protein, inflammation-fighting omega-3 seconds, and potassium make salmon a perfect food for strong, flexible legs. Grilling or baking salmon a few times a week is enough to deliver these benefits. Pair it with sweet potatoes or leafy greens, and you get a meal that's both delicious and healing. Unlike processed foods that worsen inflammation, salmon nourishes your body from within. Over time, eating salmon can help you notice less swelling, reduce stiffness, and more energy to walk, exercise, or simply enjoy your daily activities. Food 3. Eggs. Eggs are among the most complete and versatile foods in the world, making them a perfect choice for anyone who wants to strengthen their legs naturally. The whites of eggs are rich in protein, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen keeps your joints flexible, your ligaments strong, and your muscles supported. Without enough protein, your legs may feel weak, and your joints may wear down faster. The yolks, on the other hand, are loaded with nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and biotin, all of which contribute to bone strength and muscle function. Vitamin D in particular helps your body absorb calcium, protecting against brittle bones and leg weakness. While eggs don't contain large amounts of potassium on their own, they pair perfectly with potassium-rich foods like avocados, spinach, or tomatoes. For example, a simple breakfast of scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado creates a meal packed with both collagen-supporting protein and swelling-reducing potassium. This combination makes eggs one of the most practical ways to strengthen your legs. Another advantage of eggs is their bioavailability. Your body absorbs their nutrients quickly and efficiently, meaning you get maximum benefit from every bite. Athletes, older adults, and even people recovering from injuries often rely on eggs to speed up muscle repair and joint recovery. You can prepare eggs in countless ways: boiled, poached, scrambled, or as an omelet, making them easy to include in your daily routine. By eating eggs regularly, you'll notice reduced stiffness, improved mobility, and faster recovery after physical activity. They are small but mighty, a true powerhouse for joint and muscle health. Food 4. Chicken. Chicken is one of the most popular proteins worldwide, and it's also one of the best for maintaining collagen levels in the body. The skin and cartilage of chicken are especially rich in natural collagen. When you eat these parts, your body gets direct building blocks for repairing joints, ligaments, and tendons. Even lean cuts of chicken provide essential amino acids like lysine and proline, which are critical for collagen production. These amino acids act like the raw materials your body uses to rebuild worn-out connective tissues, keeping your legs flexible and strong. Chicken is also a good source of phosphorus, a mineral that works alongside calcium to strengthen bones and prevent fragility. While chicken itself is not high in potassium, it pairs extremely well with potassium-rich foods like beans, lentils, or sweet potatoes. For example, a meal of grilled chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and green beans creates the perfect balance of protein and minerals for reducing swelling and building strong legs. Unlike red meat, chicken is easier to digest and lighter on the body, making it a healthier choice for daily consumption. Athletes often include chicken in their diet to speed up muscle recovery and maintain endurance. Older adults benefit as well, since chicken protein helps preserve muscle mass and prevent weakness in the legs. By regularly including chicken in your meals, you're giving your body the exact nutrients it needs to keep your legs mobile, pain-free, and strong. Food 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the most nutrient-rich vegetables you can add to your diet, especially for leg health. A single medium sweet potato contains nearly 500 milligrams of potassium, which is essential for flushing out excess sodium and reducing water retention in the legs. This helps prevent swelling, heaviness, and bloating. Potassium also ensures smooth muscle contractions, which means fewer cramps and better endurance during physical activity. But sweet potatoes do more than balance fluids. They are also loaded with vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen synthesis. Collagen keeps your joints flexible, your tendons strong, and your ligaments well supported. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to form collagen properly, leading to joint weakness and stiffness. Sweet potatoes also provide beta-carotene, which acts as a powerful antioxidant to fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major cause of swelling and stiffness in the legs. By reducing oxidative stress, sweet potatoes protect your tissues and improve overall circulation. Another benefit is their fiber content, which supports digestive health and reduces systemic inflammation in the body. Sweet potatoes are also versatile. You can roast them, mash them, bake them, or even use them in soups. Pairing them with salmon, chicken, or beans creates a complete meal. that boosts both collagen and potassium levels. Eating sweet potatoes regularly can help your legs feel lighter, stronger, and less swollen. Over time, you'll notice improved mobility, reduced fatigue, and greater energy for walking, running, or simply moving comfortably throughout the day. Food says avocados. Avocados are one of the best foods for combining potassium and healthy fats in one delicious package. Just one medium avocado provides over 700 milligrams of potassium more than a banana. This makes them excellent for reducing leg swelling caused by fluid retention and excess sodium. Potassium also ensures your muscles contract smoothly, which means fewer cramps and better endurance. But avocados offer much more than potassium. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation and protect your joints. These healthy fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E and vitamin K, both of which play roles in maintaining collagen and bone health. While avocados themselves don't contain collagen, they act as perfect partners to collagen-rich foods like eggs, salmon, or chicken. Eating avocado alongside these proteins improves nutrient absorption, helping your body maximize collagen production. Avocados are also a great source of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. This means your legs not only feel less swollen, but also recover faster after strain. Another benefit is their high fiber content, which supports digestive health and lowers overall inflammation levels. The creamy texture of avocados makes them easy to add to meals. You can spread them on toast, blend them into smoothies, dice them into salads, or enjoy them with eggs for breakfast. By regularly including avocados in your diet, you provide your body with a powerful combination of potassium, healthy fats, and antioxidants. This keeps your legs lighter, stronger, and more flexible, while also supporting overall joint health. Food septinigi bananas. Bananas are one of the most accessible and affordable superfoods for leg health. They are famously high in potassium, with one medium banana providing around 450 milligrams. Potassium is crucial for reducing swelling by helping your body flush out sodium. It also prevents painful cramps and ensures proper muscle contractions, making bananas especially beneficial for athletes or anyone prone to leg fatigue. But bananas don't stop there. They also contain vitamin B6, which plays a key role in protein metabolism. This means the protein you eat is more efficiently used to build collagen. Strong collagen fibers keep your joints stable and flexible, protecting your knees and ankles from wear and tear. Bananas also provide small amounts of vitamin C, magnesium, and fiber, all of which support circulation and reduce inflammation. Eating bananas regularly helps your legs feel lighter, less swollen, and more energized. They are also an excellent pre- or post-workout snack. A banana before exercise helps prevent cramps, while one afterward helps replenish electrolytes and speed up recovery. You can enjoy bananas on their own, blend them into smoothies, slice them over oatmeal, or pair them with protein sources like Greek yogurt for a collagen-boosting snack. Their natural sweetness makes them a healthier alternative to sugary snacks, while their nutrient profile makes them a powerhouse for leg strength and recovery. By eating bananas daily, or a few times a week, you provide your legs with the electrolytes and nutrients they need to stay strong, flexible, and free from swelling. Food wheat beans, lentils. Beans and lentils are nutrient-dense superfoods that offer both plant-based protein and potassium, making them excellent for leg health. A single cup of cooked beans or lentils can provide up to 700 milligrams of potassium, helping to flush out excess sodium and reduce swelling in the legs. This is especially important for people who experience water retention or heavy legs after long periods of standing or sitting. The protein in beans and lentils provides the amino acids needed for collagen production. Collagen supports your joints, ligaments, and tendons, keeping them strong and flexible. Unlike animal-based proteins, beans and lentils are also rich in fiber, which lowers inflammation throughout the body. Reducing systemic inflammation means less stiffness and swelling in your legs. These foods are also packed with important micronutrients like magnesium, iron, and folate, all of which support blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles. Better circulation means less fatigue and faster recovery after activity. Beans and lentils are incredibly versatile. You can use them in soups, stews, salads, or even as a meat replacement in certain dishes. Combining them with collagen-rich foods like chicken or bone broth creates a balanced meal that delivers both protein and potassium in abundance. For vegetarians and vegans, beans and lentils are essential for maintaining leg strength without relying on animal products. Eating them regularly ensures that your legs remain free from swelling, your joints stay protected, and your muscles stay strong. Your legs carry you every single day, and keeping them strong, pain-free, and free from swelling should be one of your top health priorities. The 8 foods we've covered: bone broth, salmon, eggs, chicken, sweet potatoes, avocados, bananas, and beans are nature's perfect combination of collagen-building and potassium-rich nutrition. Together, they provide the building blocks for stronger joints, healthier muscles, and better circulation. Unlike quick fixes or temporary supplements, these foods work naturally with your body to heal, repair, and protect. By consistently adding them into your diet, you'll notice lighter legs, less swelling, reduced stiffness, and greater overall mobility. The best part is that they are simple, everyday foods you can easily find at your local market. A comforting bowl of bone broth, a salmon dinner with sweet potatoes, a breakfast of eggs with avocado, or a lentil soup, all these meals are delicious while also working as medicine for your legs. Remember, healing and strength don't come overnight. It's the small daily choices that create lasting results. Start by adding just 1 or 2 of these foods into your weekly routine and gradually increase over time. Your legs will thank you with every step, climb, and movement you make. Whether you're young and active or aging and wanting to stay independent, these foods can make a noticeable difference. Treat your legs well, and they will carry you with strength and energy for many years to come.